This is the new car. It's got some problems. Bolt needs to be tightened there. No backup lights. Bolt needs to be tightened here. Scuffs here and there. Good deal though. Well, as I hope. Bumpers loosed here. These things need to be remounted. The metal, I forget what it's called. Stock spoiler, aftermarket taillights, 3-inch exhaust, 20-inch rims, racing seat. Oops, sorry. Racing seat, leather interior, stick shift, custom gauges. All got the boost gauge and everything. And then completely stock engine, manual boost controller. But yep, that's the new one. Got some few problems it's got though. Thanks for watching. Peace.